Okay guys, this is about the house with the dimension around 22 for the length, for the width, and the length to the back around 19 meter. And we can see about the modern, simple, elegant modern over there with several touch of this exterior. Anyway, this is unfinished exterior because it has some several element that it could be finished just now, but the all over the most of this model are almost complete anyway. So you can see about the exterior design inspiration about this house anyway, with several element of architectural element and many more. Especially this is one of iconic object or one of iconic element. It has wood material, wood material with iron frame over there with several shape on either anything with several polygon anyway, with several combination of the polygon on to be a cover for this room anyway from the uh, sunlight anyway, for the extreme sun direction anyway. And this is about the marble texture, and this is about the shadow line of this exterior wall. And this is about the one of wood arrangement with the vertical arrangement over there. And it this is about the exposed material concrete for the exterior of ordinary wall over there. And this is about the some wood element. This is about the wood element, and also for the left side with the corner window over there, and for this detail, this is about the white flank profile over there, so it would make a modern industrial look over there. And this is about the canopy, carport canopy with one column, and the strength with the strength right here. This is also a unique structural system of this canopy, so it could make a powerful exterior on this modern industrial house anyway. And you can see about the wood element over there. This is a carriage door by wood material or wood texture, and this is for the main entrance door with the wood texture also. And it has several uh, garden on the front of this house with variant level for this garden or the planter box over there. And this is planter box also between and this is about the one entrance access between the two of the planter box garden over there. You can see about this. And this is for the basic, so you can make it for inspire your project anyway, or inspire your dream house to make a modern industrial house design anyway. Okay, thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.